So one more question while we're on the topic of the data to damages presentation. People are curious how often Rubik, you and Halen both get hired on the same case.
Sure, I can start with that. I know right now, so far this year, I think we've been hired on 2 trade secret cases where, we've been doing the damages and Pathway's been doing the digital forensics. Really depends on the type of case. Trade secret, it comes up a lot just because of the nature of it. If an employee's involved and, if an employee's involved and they have some kind of device or laptop, typically that means, Pathway has to get in there to do some digital forensics on it. But, we'll have a lot of times where, if it's just a company suing a company and there's no dispute on the discovery that would require digital forensics, we're just doing straight damages and Pathway may not need to get involved. I'll defer to Halen though on situations where, they might get involved where they don't see a damages expert.
And we've handled so many cases of dealing with intellectual property theft. We're usually involved whenever it's a fast moving process and we do need to get into the employee or former employee's assets from an issued laptop or phone, do the data collections and then just run analysis on any signs of data exfiltration. Then really pending that, leading into any temporary injunction or temporary restraining orders, it can really move really quickly to where I'm communicating with Rubik, we're just having conversations, or it can really just, those cases are really the ones where we'd be working together, or the most likely scenarios. But there really are those times where, say I'm just working on like a criminal case or maybe like an employee misconduct, and those won't really have concerns about the financial damages. And so those are going to be examples where it's just going to be strictly Pathways focus on the analysis and the results.